What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is outside the day that Victor buffed out the side, first cut and buff, and did the paint correction. But we are not done because he has a wedding today. So congratulations, Victor, for getting married. And yeah, so I was like, he doesn't have to stay that long, and he wanted to leave at 12. I was like, dude, go ahead, man. You have a wedding tomorrow, and you don't have to stay that late, because he does get to the point where he gets down and stay till like in the 3-4 o'clock in the morning. But he has a wedding, so let him go, and when he comes back, then he can finish it off. But I did pull the car out a little bit. I can't pull it out all the way because he taped off the windows, and I don't want to take it off because we have to redo it again. So I just pulled the car out into the sun a little bit, and here it is. So the front bumper, he didn't do yet. Front bumper we're still waiting on. He did this fender. Now that reflection, guys, like look, before like you couldn't see no reflection, and oh my god. And then still got this side that he still has to do. The mirrors, I'm actually I bought new mirrors, and I think it should be here probably sometime this week or so. The roof, look at that, look at that reflection, guys. Like this car never had that crazy of a reflection. Same with goes with the wing. Oh, here, let me dim it down. You guys can finally see the metallic, the flakes in the paint. Look at that. On the camera, it does not show like how well he did, like, or how amazing he did. In person is a lot better. On camera, you can't really capture everything, but the only thing I can really show you guys is you can see more of the flakes, and of course the reflection. Look how smooth that reflection is. Before, this was all blurry because of the orange peel. You guys know what orange peel is? Look it up. Cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh, I did buy a new hood also, but he is still going to be what is it, polishing up the hood, and then he's a ceramic coat the whole car. This rear bumper, I told him if he wanted, or if he was able to sand it down and do the same thing, he can, but I'm kind of not too worried because this bumper is not in the best condition. Like there's little things here and there, so I might get a new SR rear bumper, get it painted, and then have him do it on the new SR bumper. But this is not for sale, so don't ask. And yeah, that's chilling up there. Yeah, so he did an amazing job. So if you guys aren't following him on his Instagram, check it out, exclusive 1904. I'll put his link down below and on the screen right here. And hit him up, because I actually shared him a lot on my Instagram stories and my Instagram posts, and he's been getting so many DMs and more followers. So this dude, guys, because this is all he does for a living, and he actually has his own shop. He just started the Instagram account. So far it's really good, so hopefully Victor is working out really well for you. And yeah, because I'm really happy about it. Like, I'm amazed by the results, because I know this is my car, so I know how the pain is when I got it and everything, and he just brought it back to life. This thing is crazy. Oh, there you guys kind of see the metallic and stuff in it. But yeah, so very happy. And then that roof, look at that, guys. It's literally like a mirror. So good. Oh, but I need to clean up all this. This is all clear coat, and it's not that hard. It's off, but I'm gonna put some water in the ground and push it out of the garage, because so like having Vietnamese parents or Asian parents, your parents will get kind of mad. So I'm gonna wash it off real quick and bring the car back in. The car is all cleaned up. This is a manual labor. This likes has to dry, and I'm just gonna put the car back in and wait till it gets done. So Victor came by and he finished the right side. Now he's onto the bumper and then gonna do the hood right after. And then after this, he's gonna apply the ceramic coating. I'm not gonna show you guys how he does the ceramic coating because, I mean, not everybody could do it. I mean, I don't know if I could even do it, so just hit him up if you guys want to get your car ceramic coated or pretty much like color sanded and buffed and everything. He has really, really good prices. What?
Show him the hood too.
Show him the hood?
Yeah.
You can't even see it, bro. Actually, no, you can see it in, fuck.
Get that lighting you have right here.
Nah, dude, you can't catch it. No. It's hard. But no, it was in my other video. You can see it. If I have the light turned off,
right.
If the door's closed, yeah, this hood has a shit ton of scratches and swirl marks on it. But you guys can't see it right now, but he's gonna buff it out. I feel like you guys seen it before in one of my old videos. Because a lot of people comment that, how come your paint has no swirls but your hood does? But
someone said that?
Someone said that. A lot of, yeah, because they saw the video. Yeah, but he could fix it though. Me and my brother thought we couldn't fix it because we thought I was in the gel coating, but Victor says he could fix it, so once he fixes it, yep. Let's do your thing. Now I just doing the bumper. Oh man. The car is pretty much complete now. And we did my license plate garnish too. Ooh. Update, Vic got the front bumper done. The whole left side, everything's done. Now he's just going over to correct some spots that he missed. And then ceramic coat goes on. Damn, look at that gloss, boys. Victor's fixing my hood right now, so let's check out this side. This side you can see all the swirls and scratches. You can only see if you're in the light. You see it. And as you move over to the left side, right after this little portion here, you guys don't see anything at all. Well, this is only his first pass too. Like, so let me see. See that? Go back over this side. It's not there anymore. You can see that.
You should definitely see it.
Yeah. Damn. No more swirls. Alright, time for ceramic coating. Wet the floor so no dust kicks up, but the concrete is drying. I have no idea why. And Victor's just detoxing the paint or the surface. That's a trip though, for real. It's like, it's drying. Yeah, you're a doctor for the car.
Would you put this on your car if you want after?
What is that?
Shows that your car is certified ceramic.
Nah, that's cool. I don't want to.
Come on, dude.
What? What am I gonna do with that? Just put it on my car?
Yeah, man. Show that your car's fucking ceramic, dude. It's a stamp. You know how you, when you do your freaking air filter?
Nah, we good. We don't need to be certified by K&N.
They might want to fucking sponsor you, bro. Imagine you get free fucking ceramic.
What am I doing with it?
Give it to me.
Give it to you?
Yeah.
Alright, C-Quartz, or what's the actual name for it? The brand?
C-Quartz.
Yeah, C-Quartz. Yeah, sponsor this guy right here. Look at that reflection on that hood now, guys. Well, no crazy ass swirls and shit. But I do have a new hood coming, but you guys have to wait for that. That's just gonna take like 3 months from Japan. Cannot wait to take this bitch out tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to meet up with you in the morning, bro, to fucking see it.
Well, dude, I don't know what time I'm gonna even wake up.
Damn, bro, you can't be like that.
But actually,
Imagine it rains.
I'll probably drive over to Kevin's house.
Imagine it rains tomorrow.
Rains tomorrow? Shit, well, I'm going up to Elliot, if anything. Let me go pick up my new mirrors. If anyone wants to buy these, hit me up. These are gonna be for sale.
The mirrors?
Yeah. Don't buy them, you don't have a Civic.
I can feel it rushing through my veins. Your love's the only drug I know. But we've been playing the hand now we're dealt, but we can light it up. I know that we can make it through the night, but I can feel it for you inside. So there won't be no fear tonight.
That's why you have to get certified to use ceramic, huh?
Can you see how depth it is in the camera?
It's hard to say. But the reflection came out so much better. Yeah, literally in person, you can see better. The camera doesn't really do justice, man. Cameras hide a lot of stuff. What the fuck? Oh my god, that shit looks like fucking glass on camera though. Like, yeah, see that? Like, there's my window, and there's the window of my car. I think it just straight up smooth. Same goes with the wing. Boy. I'm gonna bring out the sun tomorrow. And there are still like scratches in the hood, but it's not as bad. But it doesn't matter because I'm actually getting a new hood, and then when I get that new hood, I'm gonna have them ceramic that new hood.
Is it already painted?
No, it's the new one I bought is full carbon. Yeah, it's carbon. It's carbon. Yeah. Damn. I'm so shocked. I'm still like beyond shocked at how well he made my paint come out. Like, god damn. Look at that reflection, guys.
Soapy Joe's.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Soapy Joe's.
Sponsored by Soapy Joe's. Look at that shit, guys. Look at that. Look from here. Look at that. See the tire in my door. I feel like most of you guys have probably seen all the orange peel in my car before. But like, look at the reflection on this thing. This thing shines. He's also gonna ceramic coat my wheels. I don't know when, but whenever. And I don't know what else. Probably when I do my hood, probably have the new mirrors get coated too. First coat's all done. That reflection is insane. I'm so happy I got this done. Victor's on his second coat of the ceramic. I can't get enough how good this looks. But I'll probably film more tomorrow because I'm gonna bring the car out and see how much better the reflection is. But just in here is so much better than before. I feel like my car's a show car now, even though it's not. This guy keeps saying that my car's a show car, but it's not. Victor's wrapping up with wiping off the second coat. And it is 11:26. This dude puts in work. He spent at least like what 20 hours plus on this car. And I cannot be any more happy with the results. I'm sleepy now, but he has to go grocery shopping after, so I can sleep.
And burrito shopping.
Burrito shopping?
Yeah.
Bean cheese burrito, man.
Where's that?
Always. That's what you always respond with. Oh, bean cheese burrito? That's where it's at. Always. Yeah, I can't wait to pull this out and show you guys tomorrow. I'm just like, I don't know. I'm gonna be so shocked. Yeah, I'll record it tomorrow though. I might slap it in with this video. And you gotta slap the plates back on, the emblems, clean up the windows a bit, but everything else is straight though. And he did say after what, 48 hours, it becomes more shinier?
Yeah, so basically when it starts curing, it does bring a little more depth into the paint. And after each stage of cure, you start seeing like different high gloss of it. I mean, as it is right now applied, I mean, you can already tell how glossy it is.
Yep, I can.
But after it cures, it will be a little bit more glossier for sure.
Yep, you guys heard the man, so I'll keep you guys updated on this. Don't worry guys, I'm still gonna take the car out. Can't be scared to drive your car. So it is the next fallen day, and I said I was gonna bring it out, but it's actually raining today, so kinda sucks. But this is where the car is at now. After he ceramic coated it, this thing feels so nice. It feels slightly rougher than a wax, but I think because it has more of a coating to it. But I guess that's the end for this video, so hope you guys like this video, and don't let us just keep building guys. Peace out.